Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rek here again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you another cool feature from Bruce Firmware, and this time it's not related to RFID, but it's related to GPS. So without further ado, let's get into it. And now we have a menu just for the GPS here, and inside this menu we have two functions: the wardriving and the GPS tracker. The wardriving is like you connect the GPS module, and while like you go around, it will start to get the Wi-Fi networks that it can like check, that it can see, and starts to store this information to a file. And this file, it is following the protocol for the Wigle. And Wigle is a platform, online platform, that you can upload those wardriving files. And we have like a bunch of information and a bunch of networks from a lot of different users all over the world. So it is a really cool website for wardriving, and we export those files with the same structure that Wigle, the same structure that we need for Wigle. And this other feature here is the GPS tracker, and this is the feature that I'm gonna be showing right now. So for this, I'm using the GPS version 1.1, and we have support for the GPS unit from M5 Stack, and now we have support for the GPS 1.1. So to select this, we have to come to config and baud rate. So the 9600 baud rate is for the GPS unit, and the 115,200 bps is for the GPS 1.1. So let's select this, come back here and open GPS tracker. So what it does is the same thing. So you open the application, connect the GPS module, and start like walking around, driving around, and it starts to get the GPS coordinates and save it into a file. So the file is a GPX file, and after that we can upload the file to many different GPX viewers. I'm gonna leave some options here in the description, and you can use one of those websites or application, one of those GPX viewers, to see the route, the path that you like walked, and you can see this in a map. So it's very cool. I'll try to leave an image here just as an example, but let's open this. I don't know if I'm gonna get any information because I'm inside right now. So it will start to it will try to get coordinates, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any coordinate here because I'm inside my house right now, but outside it works really well. Or at least if I'm next to a window or something, it starts to get coordinates. And one thing that is really cool about this GPS tracker, and it's also another feature here from Bruce, is that now we have the ability of coming here in the config, and there's the startup app, and we can select here the GPS tracker. So for example, let me turn off, and let's suppose that I want to leave the card filter or any other device inside my car, inside the glove compartment, or any other place that I have some access to USB-C, and I want to leave this connected. So as soon as the car turns on, it will start to get power from the USB, and when the card filter turns on, it will automatically open the GPS tracker. So you can leave this inside your car and it will turn on with the GPS tracker application, and it will start to grab the coordinates of the track that you're like driving around. And later you can grab this file and use it with a GPX viewer and see the track that like the where the car went, and you can see like track anyone with this. So this is really cool, and the same thing can be done with the ward driving. So you can select here, and once I restart, let me jump the boot screen here, and it will automatically start the ward driving application. So this is cool for some applications, and it's up to you whether you want to use it or not, but now it is an option. Let me come back here and select none here. Another thing related to startup is now the startup Wi-Fi. So you can select here if you want to enable or disable, and if this is enabled, you when the card filter turns on or any other device turns on, it will try to connect to Wi-Fi networks. It will check your config file to see if you have any credentials for any Wi-Fi network in your config file, and if it finds a config there, a credential for Wi-Fi network there, and see that this network is nearby, it will try to automatically connect to this network. So sometimes it's cool. I leave it disabled for me, but yeah, those were the new features, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.